Welcome to our heartfelt crafting video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to make a stunning DIY floral greeting card that's perfect for last-minute special occasions. Learn how to create easy handmade greeting cards that are not only quick, but also thoughtful, making it an ideal way to send special wishes to loved ones. Handcrafted greeting cards for birthdays, thank yous, and special moments truly mean a lot because they show the recipient you were thinking of them. Plus, creating handmade cards is fun and brings joy to both the giver and receiver. Join us as we make a beautiful DIY greeting card in just a few simple steps and spread happiness with your creativity. Personal touch. Creating a DIY floral greeting card adds a heartfelt and personal touch, making the recipient feel extra special. Handmade cards convey thoughtfulness and effort, which can strengthen relationships and leave a lasting impression. Cost-effective and fun, making your own greeting cards is a budget-friendly alternative to buying expensive store-bought ones. It also allows you to unleash your creativity, making the process both enjoyable and rewarding. Draw a spiral and cut along the lines. Start folding from one end and paste it onto the other side to complete the shape. Don't forget to check out our other interesting videos on paper and cardboard crafts, perfect for students and DIY enthusiasts. We have plenty of fun and creative projects that you'll love, so be sure to explore our channel Quick Craft Factory for more inspiration. Now that we are in the final stage of our project, it's time to glue all the components together. Make your masterpiece complete and get ready to present it to your loved ones. They're going to love it. Thank you for watching Quick Craft Factory. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative projects like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and join our crafting community today.